Can you see this? What is this? Onion. I'm peeling the onion. If I peel more, what will happen? More of the skin will come out. Okay, they are layers. Like that, our earth also has different layers inside. We are going to see EVS lesson Earth, Rocks and Minerals. Earth, Rocks and Minerals. Let us go to the lesson. Layers of the earth. We know that the earth is a round ball. All of you know it's a round shape, isn't it? So it is covered with water bodies like rivers, lakes, oceans, and we also see soil on the earth which helps plant grow. We have soil on the earth, but we see is only the surface, we see. Have you wondered what is below the surface? When you dig the soil, well and all, you have seen, yeah, we put bore. What is there in the soil? Below the surface of the earth, inside the earth, it has different layers. Similar to an onion or a boiled egg. When I show you boiled egg, you have to peel the outer layer, then shell. After the shell there is a white, inside that there is a yellow. Okay, like that you have different layers. So see the upper part outside, like an onion peel, outside is there, then inside is there, yeah. So outside there is a crust. The green color it is shown here, that is a crust. Inside that you have mantle, outer core, inner core. Each layer of the earth is different thickness. There are 3 layers under the surface of the earth: crust, mantle, core. Core is divided into 2, inner and outer core. Now properties of the layers of the earth. Crust is the outermost layer in the earth. That is it has mountains, plains, oceans, supports most life. The crust is hard and is made up of plates that join together. As compared to other layers, it is very thin. So you are thinking that the crust is only the main layer. We are only digging the crust. But crust is the thin layer compared to other layers. Other layer is very thin now. So as compared to the other layers, that is, it is extends up to 30 kilometer to 50 kilometer. Kilometer means what? 1000 meters you walk. A saree is 5 meter. Like that 1000 meters you walk, that only 1 kilometer. Like that 30 kilometers dig inside the soil. மண்ணுக்குள்ள நம்ம 30 kilometers உள்ள போலாம். அது வரைக்கும் we have the layer, that is the crust, and then 6 kilometer to 15 kilometer under the ocean. Oceanum கடலும் ஆழம் அதுக்கு கீழே. Okay, then the next layer is the mantle. Most of the volume of the earth is in the mantle. Most of the earth that is in the mantle. Near the crust, it is very hard, but as we go deeper, it is hot liquid. So மேலே வந்து it's very hard soil, but inside if you go, what is there? Inside is hot liquid. The hot liquid is called magma and its temperature is about 4000 degrees Celsius. The mantle starts from 50 kilometer depth and goes down to 2900 below the crust. So it is 50 kilometer depth it is going, and 2900, so big it is earth. Okay, you are digging just 100 feet or 200 feet in the soil. Up to 500 we are digging now. But actually it is 50 kilometers like that. And the mantle is hot liquid inside that. That is also some 2900 below the crust. The core is the innermost layer of the earth. Innermost layer, ulla ponana, you have the core. So it is extremely hot and can be divided into 2 parts. Outer core is a part near the mantle. It has thickness of 2200 kilometer. It is liquid and very hot with a temperature of more than 5000 degrees Celsius. 100 degrees Celsius itself is boiling water. Inner core is a hot solid ball inside the outer core. It has a thickness of 1250. It is the hottest layer and the temperature is more than 6000 degrees Celsius. Rocks. So what is a solid layer of the earth? Is made up of? Yes, naturally occurring solids. Solids, that is called rocks. If you dig the soil in the playground and keep digging, you will soon hit something. There is something in that. That is a rock. You can see rocks all around. Big boulders. This is a boulder. Periya para. On hills, mountains, fine grains of sand on the beach. These are all stones. Small stones on the playground. Even the salt we add to our food is a rock. Yes. In fact, கல்லுப்புன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, அதை பவுடர் பண்ணி அதை ஃபைன் this thing only powdered salt. In fact, most of the land on the earth is made up of rocks. The formation of rocks takes a long time. How is a rock forming? After a long time. Rocks that we see around as many and they are formed around millions of years ago. What is the use of these rocks? Prehistoric time is before the history and all is written. Early man were there. Human beings have used rocks for different purpose since early times. In fact, the earliest period of human life is called Stone Age. Because of the wide use of stones, there were different types of rocks used in Stone Age. Hammer stones were used as a hammer to beat the surface. Sharp stones were carved out from big stones used to hunt or kill. Flint stones were used to light fires. Hammer stones, sharp stones, flint stones. These are the stones used in prehistoric times. Okay, we will continue this video in the next video. We'll continue this lesson, children. Thank you.